Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the new Firewalla Blue Plus. They have the Firewalla Red, Firewalla Blue, and they also have the Firewalla Gold. In addition to this one, it's a very small device, sits in the palm of your hand. It comes with a memory card up front, so to store the cache files or whatever it needs to do, that is also replaceable. Then you have the power port, Ethernet port, and USB port on the back. And it comes with all of the devices that you need. The software is available via download. It works with VPN software, WireGuard software, and it works simultaneously. So here's your Ethernet cord that it comes with, a nice flat cable, and a flat micro USB cable for power. And then they also give you the requisite 2 amp charger, wall charger right here. So it's almost the size of the device itself. And this will take over your routing functions of your router for DHCP, and it will work with multiple kinds of routers out there. So check their website for compatibility. You just plug it in here, configure some software, and you're ready to go. This is from Firewalla. They have the Blue Plus, which this one is, the red, and the gold. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.